Hey guys, welcome to DelfStack. This is how to fix white screen Chrome. So, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is change some settings into your Chrome. So, to do this, you can just simply go ahead and select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And now, from here guys, you can just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your Chrome. Now, here, you could just simply go ahead and use the search bar at the top, and you could just simply search for acceleration. So from here, you will have use graphics acceleration when available. So just simply turn this off and just simply select Relaunch to apply the changes. So guys, this can resolve rendering problems. Now, if it still doesn't work, what you could try to do is make sure you are running the latest version of the Chrome. So here on the settings, you could just simply go for About Chrome, and when there is any update, you should be able to see it over here. Now, if the problem is still showing up, guys, what you could try is going for the Reset Settings option over here. Select Reset Settings, and you will have this one, Restore Settings to their original defaults. So, any changes that you have made into your Chrome will get back to the original default when you just downloaded the Chrome. And as you can see, this action will reset some Chrome settings, shortcuts, disable extensions, and delete cookies and other temporary site data. And you can just simply select Reset Settings, and mostly this can fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.